and I'm a SailPoint ambassador, and I'm also a SailPoint certified identity IQ engineer, SailPoint certified identity now professional, ITLV4 foundation, cyber trustee, and I'm also a career coach and an IAM trainer. Well, I've have working experience of no 4+ projects and 4+ years of experience in identity development, administration, and design of SailPoint Identity IQ, and I have delivered more than 300 plus hours of trainings across the no, trainings. Well, coming to my corporate clients, no, and other audiences, so I've delivered across many countries such as India, Singapore, USA, Mexico, Canada. Well, I am situated outside India currently, and yeah, I'm working currently as one of the senior software developers, and yeah, for one of the IT consulting firms outside India. Well, that's about me. So, what's the agenda for today's webinar, guys? So, welcome and introduction. So, we just went through the introduction part, and yeah, and why SailPoint Identity IQ skills are very highly demanded as of now. We're going to see that, and as well as overview of SailPoint Identity IQ certification path, a step-by-step preparation roadmap for 2026 examination, and lot of tips, resources I'm going to share across, and also common mistakes which you need to avoid during the examination. And I will be giving you a lot of insights, guys, like how the pattern of examinations, a kind of mock test links I'm going to share, which are all very very valuable links, and also a sample test we're going to take here in front of you. I'm going to show you certain sample tests, how exactly the questions will be asked in the examination, and especially the Q&A and the career next steps. So you can ask me anything you would like, in between, or maybe in the Q&A session at the end. Yeah, and as I promised, I'm going to share you a lot of valuable links and insights for your preparations, and definitely this session is going to be more valuable for you, and whatever the time you spent here, and the takeaways, as I said, lot of materials and lot of knowledge that is required to crack your SailPoint certification exam. Yep, perfect. So let's see the first thing I have here. Why SailPoint Identity IQ skills are in high demand? Yep. Well, growing importance of identity governance, guys. Yeah, so organizations are prioritizing their security. Okay, the security has become their first priority. Okay, and they want to enhance their security and meet the regulatory compliance demands. And yeah, like the organization has to follow the HIPAA guidelines or SOX guidelines. Yeah, so they need to be a proper compliant organization, which are all there in the market as a standard regulations you need to follow. Yep. And we also see a lot of growth perspective, and also a lot of digital transformation across, as companies are adapting the cloud and hybrid environments. The identity governance will ensure you, like smooth and secure access, and it also gives you the services would be more faster, I would say, guys. Okay, so if you want to grant an accesses for any new employee, or if you want to remove certain accesses for the user, so those will become way faster with an identity governance solution. Yeah, and you see the trends currently, right? So what are the trends we have in the identity and access management in the AI era? All right, so Yeah, and if you see the demand for the skilled professionals are growing day by day, guys. Okay, there's a high demand for the SailPoint Identity IQ experts. Well, the expertise not only gives you a salary or a work satisfaction. So beyond that, it also opens you the doors to the exciting roles such as identity and access management, you know, uh, architect roles, or a governance analyst or a security professional roles. Okay, who help the organization to stay secured and compliant free, and as well as the a proper organization with a high secure in terms of all the things, as well as the data security and everything in that perspective. Well, the another point I have here is the global need of IAM experts, guys. Okay, the globe is looking for the identity and access management specialist who has proper knowledge in the product, who can solve their issues in the organization, who can enhance their security to the next levels. Yeah, as the security has become their first priority, as I said. Yeah, they need to meet all the audit guidelines and regulations, guys. Well, a specialized skill is equals to nothing but a competitive edge as well. So as I say, like if you are a specialized in IAM, and if you hold the IAM expertise, then you are like you can have higher packages, and as well as you have huge demand in this no demanded era, I would say. So people coming with a SailPoint background always have an advantage, I would say, guys, compared to the other person. Or if you are a certified engineer, then you have a lot of advantage of you know clearing the interview, or getting the position reserved for you. Okay, all right, so that is a in this demanded era. So if you are a certified engineer, then you have a hot spot, I would say, guys. Okay, so your job will be reserved forever. Okay, you will never be feeling as okay a jobless, or a sort of layoff. Okay, even those things will never been seen. Yeah, especially in the identity and access management field. So if you are in other positions, maybe you can see no layoffs and here and there, no blah blah those things. But especially in identity and access management, so you tend to see very less, or hear very less sort of things over there. All right. So next, why let's see some more points why SailPoint Identity IQ skills are in high demand. So industry adoption and their benefits, guys. Their benefits are huge. Like if you take a finance organization, okay, financial organization such as banks or the financial institutions which use SailPoint to secure their customer data. So well, so these financial organizations they use SailPoint to secure their customer data, and also meet the customer meet the compliance requirements, and yeah, secure the data. So that's especially the customer's data. Okay, when I say a bank, the customer data is very very sensitive over there, right? So it requires a proper secure and compliance free within the organization. Yeah, so next we have the healthcare sector. So even healthcare sectors such as hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, or clinics rely on SailPoint Identity IQ governance features to protect their patient records and manage the accesses within the organization for their staff, especially. Well, government organizations, like public sector organizations, adopt SailPoint for their strong identity governance and regulatory compliance as well. Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. The adoption and their benefits, across the industries, I would say, guys, and the career advancement opportunities as well. So if you are a SailPoint professional, then it unlocks you a lot of exciting roles like IAM architecture, governance analyst, identity security specialist, all these roles. Yeah, and since lot of industries you see, and you tend to get opportunity to work across the industries, guys. Okay, that's also one of the future proof for you as the identity governance is growing very fast and critical for the digital security world. Yeah, and also you get as I said, work work across the industries like finance, be it finance, be it healthcare or government or technical organizations. So the identity expertise is required everywhere. And also the it will also boost you the market value, guys. SailPoint skills are highly demanded, and it's in the cyber security. So if you see cyber security as a whole, so cyber security has lot of domains in it, like data security, asset security, and risk management, compliance management, audit, so on, guys. Okay, and in under the cyber security, identity and access management is one of the core domains, so which is required. Well, so that's the career advancement opportunities for you. And yeah, global opportunities, as I said earlier, you have lot of global opportunities across. So if you are looking for moving abroad, working for reputed organizations outside India, so even that is possible with this particular technology, I would say. All right, well, so let's see the highly demanded professionals, right? So what an demanded professional should be looking like. Okay, what are the criteria he or she should have, in terms of if you want to become a proper IAM expert, I would say. So you let's see the certification overview. So SailPoint offers you certain role-based certifications. So role-based certifications, like you can easily get endorsed with the customer saying that, okay, I am a certified identity IQ engineer. Yeah, I'm a proper certified engineer. So nowadays people are trying to see who are all certified, who has a core subject knowledge. Okay, uh, who has a good principles, good ethics, you know, those things, no well, and as well as people who are certified. Okay, so that's also one of the key things they try to see you, not only your professional experience. So this will be an added advantage for you. Okay, well, so let's see what are the key certifications we have. So one I have is SailPoint Certified Identity IQ Associate. Okay, that is a knowledge driven certification, I would say. So this is the first level of certification somebody can get certified into. It's like an entry level certification, guys. It's just to validate your knowledge of identity IQ, all the functional modules knowledge, whatever you have, right? Okay, so to evaluate that, okay, this associate certification will help. Okay, uh, well, if you have a training, no, if you have completed certain identity IQ training and have basic experience of how the product works, okay, the in and out of product, like what are the core concepts of it, and what are the functional aspects of it, and what are the features of it. So if you are aware of those things, then you can easily clear the identity IQ associate certification, guys. Even you can try to take the official SailPoint certification training as well. Okay, so at least you require 20 to 30 hours of training experience, I would say, and having a lot of knowledge of the product, I would say. A proper product knowledge, like what is policy, what is a rule, what is quick link, what is a form. So having this knowledge is more than enough, to clear the identity IQ associate exam, guys. Okay, it's just to validate your knowledge perspective. The next other certification I have, the other level is Identity IQ Engineer. So this is the thing you can target for, and it's very, very important certification as well. So this is also important associate, but it's not customer driven. So it's just like a knowledge based certification for your self evaluation, I would say. But when it comes to the Identity IQ Engineer, so you can endorse, no, you can showcase to the customer, no, they will try to hire you, you know, directly if you are a certified engineer with a minimal interview questions or minimal, you know, they won't test your entire knowledge. Okay, so if you are having a, obviously if you know are certified, then you will have a proper knowledge, I would say, guys, and that knowledge will help you to face any level of interviews. So it's not like you know a tough interview or easy interview or mid level of interview. So any level, guys, the other person may be expert. You can easily face, those kind of people if you are already certified. Like, you will already have a badge, on your shoulder saying that, okay, I am certified. Okay, so that is the importance of the certification, guys. Okay, advanced certification for the professionals, like, having knowledge on the customization and design of SailPoint, like, having the installation, the lifecycle management, like joiner, lever, mover, bit of workflows, application onboarding, troubleshooting of SailPoint, like, seeing the logs, how to enable the trace logs. So these things will be tested in this certification, guys. It's sort of advanced certification for the professionals having a proper knowledge. So here also, especially the recommended thing is having people with at least 1 year of experience. Okay, 1+ year of experience, hands-on experience, they can attend this certification exam. So that is Identity IQ Engineer. Yeah, so if you are already an experienced professional, then just try to, prepare the documents I'm going to share today, and I think you should be good, for cracking your certification exam, guys. Yeah, or if you're no, if you want to start the certification, or if you want to start the training, you are a fresh person, like, you are moving to identity and access management space. So then, you know, for you also, uh, you need to prepare well for this certification exam in order to crack this examination, guys. Okay, as there is a cost involved here, to take part in the exam. So that's why I want you to be a proper, okay, do a proper groundwork, proper preparation before you take the examination, guys. Okay, all right. So eligibility criteria, pretty much everybody can take the exam, guys. People who has, as I said, 1 year plus of experience, you know, then you can, and or if you have a proper preparation, okay, without a practical experience, if you have a proper groundwork and proper preparation and the subject knowledge, core principles, even that will help you to crack the certification exam as well. That's basically the mindset to crack the exam, guys. Okay, that is very much important, when it comes to professional certifications here. Cool. So I want to share some links. Okay, SailPoint certification credentials in Compass, SailPoint professional certifications and certification program. So, well, I will just right away share you these links. All right, just a moment. I'm sharing you the link. So engineer is the proper examination, guys, which you need to target for. I won't say it's a rocket science, but yeah, if you have a proper preparation, then it's easy to crack the examination, guys. Yes, so there's a one link. I just shared it in the chat. Let me also share the other link as well. Cool. Yeah, so if you want, I can just click on the link for you. Yes. So, so this is the official website, guys, which is called as university.sailpoint.com. Yeah. And well, so if you are trying to attend the certification exam during this time, especially in November, December, then they do have a lot of discounts, guys. Like, if you are already partnered with SailPoint, so SailPoint will give you partner discount. Like, it's not that expensive, I would say. Like, you get a 50% of discount where you can easily, get it for, $200 or maybe $100, based on your partnership with the organization, guys. Okay. So if you are a customer of SailPoint, then I'm not sure you get a offer. So 99% they don't give offers to the customers. So sometimes they do give offers to the customers as well. So just try to check that. If you are a partner, I'm sure you're gonna get the discount. If not, just try to check whether you are getting that coupon discount. Yeah. So during this Christmas time, right? So the SailPoint provide these discounts here. All right, so SailPoint Professional Certification Exam. Yes, so you see here identity, yes, Identity IQ Associate, Identity IQ Engineer. So I was talking about this associate, purely knowledge-driven certification exam, and this is Identity IQ Engineer is it's a proper modules. Having 1+ years of experience can easily crack this certification exam, I would say, guys. All right. Yeah, and there's an other link as well. I think I have already shared you that first link, the certification paths link. Yes. So here also you get some information about the certification. So knowledge-based certifications, role-based certifications. So whenever you get a chance, just go through these links. This will definitely help you out in your initial stages of the preparation. All right. So cool, guys. Now the time is to see. We just saw two important certifications of SailPoint, right? So if you are aspirant of a SailPoint certification exam, then you might need some information, like an upfront, like how the examination would be, what is the format I can expect, what are the topics I'm going to be tested in, and yeah, what is the duration, what is the cost involved. Okay, so these things are those things might be in your mind. Yeah, so those questions might be popping up in your mind, like how can I take the examination, or what is the exam details. Okay, so here I am to with the exam details. So the format of certification exam would be, it's a purely discrete multiple choice questions, guys. Okay, discrete multiple choice questions. So I'll give more information about it. What is discrete multiple choice question? It's not a traditional multiple choice question, so it's a discrete multiple choice questions. Okay, and as well as scenario based questions, so you may expect a lot of scenario based questions as well. And a sale point, yeah, topics. So what are the topics you can expect? Identity IQ installation, build and deployment, Identity IQ lifecycle manager module, governance module, bit of Identity IQ development, application onboarding, debugging, troubleshooting, and access modeling, like the object model of SailPoint, like application object, identity object, and all of that. Well, so the duration is going to be 90 minutes, guys. Okay, 90 to 120 minutes typically, and usually you get two attempts are included for per one registration, okay, of the examination, and the cost involved is $400. Yeah. So if you are aiming for the engineer exam, then $400 is the standard price that SailPoint University has set it. If you are looking for an associate examination, guys, for associate, I guess it's $300, I guess. So and the links, I have the respective links here. I'm going to share you those links right now. Okay, and as I said, the partner discount, so just check yourself, like once you register, right, with your company portal for the examination, so there itself you can see this discount coming up for you. Yeah, so well, I just shared you the associate link. Okay, here is the associate link I have, and the engineer link. Okay, I'm going to share you that as well. So if you are trying to register for the engineer, then this is the a proper link of this certification exam. So well, let me click on the first link which I just shared you guys. So see, this is for the associate examination, so it's a $300. Okay, so you need a sign in for that. So as I said, if you are signing in with your professional email, and if they are partnered with SailPoint, like most of the top organizations, guys, like Accenture, Infosys, so these organizations are already partnered with SailPoint. So well, if you are working in these organizations, so you can easily get the partner discount. Yeah. Uh, Good. So the test takers guide is available here. The program policy handbook available. Exam preparation guide is available. So just try to go through them as well. So this is the very valuable link, I would say. Next, I have the other links for engineer. So this is for SailPoint IdentityIQ Certified Engineer Examination. So it's a $400, and again you need a sign in. So just check about the bonus part, and you have some more information about this particular exam here. Okay, and you can directly register, guys, with the help of these links. So you just need to click on purchase, and then blah blah, you can just go next, 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 and then you can register yourself. Yeah, so that's about it. Next I have here is, yes, so we have discrete multiple choice question. What is the question format? The format is going to be discrete option multiple choice question. So, and this is a proctor based examination, guys. Okay, it's a proper proctor based examination. Yeah, so there will be a online proctor who will be watching you across, like if you share a screen or you need to share your screen and you can't switch the tabs, okay, they will be closely monitoring you. Yeah, and there is a no back button, so you cannot hit back or undo the question, or you don't have option to go back to the question, and you cannot skip the question, or you cannot review the question at the end. Okay, so you might think, okay, I can answer this question a little bit later. Okay, so that is not possible here, no, in DOMC, guys. Okay, that is the thing, discrete multiple choice question. Okay, so you need to carefully read each and every question before you just click on that question here. Okay, so there are some practice modules I have here. A practice test, sample test. So let me click on those sample links, and I will also try to share you those sample links as well. Let me click on it, the link. Yes, so this is the link I just clicked. Yes, so you can see here, guys, this is a discrete multiple choice question. Okay, multiple option choice questions. So let's see how those things will be given here. So it's just a third grade mathematical test. So let's try to give this sample test here. Click on begin. Yes. So let's see the first question: is the single digit in the hundreds place in this number? Okay, this digit is in hundreds place. Okay, that's what it is asking. Yes, it's in hundreds place, right? So I can just click on yes. So I need to say, okay, so they'll give you a question and they will also show you one option at a time, guys. Okay, so you see this is the first option and my first option is correct, so I can just say yes. Okay, so see the question itself got disappeared. So if the first option was if I have hit no, then it will go for the next question. Okay, it will show you the next option. There you need to say it's yes or no. Okay, so that is what it is, discrete multiple choice question. So multiple choice question means they will give you a question and they'll give you all the options at a time, right? But this is a bit tricky. They give you the options one at a time, so you need to click which option is correct. Okay, well, so yeah, second question I have here is this set of numbers in order from greatest to least. Okay, so here you see 257, 275, sorry, 199, 164, 132. Greatest to least. Yeah, I see this is correct, so I'll just click on yes. Yeah, so now it says this set of numbers is okay, greatest to least. No, no, right? So you see here it's 228, 2 275, 183 and 124. So I feel they are not in greatest to lowest order, so I'll just say no. Okay, well, so now I'm in the third question. So it says are these numbers and its standard form is same or not? Okay, so it says 870, okay, 8700 no, 706. Okay, 8760. Okay, is this matching, guys? No, right? So I can simply say no. Good. Okay, next 8760. No, 760. Yeah, so it's matches, right? So 8760. So I can simply say yes. Yeah. 8706, 8607. No. Okay, so see here, guys. It gives you the result here. Okay, you see 100%. So I'm giving all the answers correctly, so I got the no 100%. So just try to practice these things here. I'm going to share you those links as well, a proper test. So discrete multiple choice questions, okay, examinations are how they are. So there are a lot of other tests also there in with that link, so just go through it and whatever you're preferable, so just try to practice yourself on that as well, guys. Okay, cool. That's about the discrete multiple choice questions. So next I have is yes, so step by step preparation roadmap. So the core concepts are this. Okay, so just try to create your multi-month plan, okay, a timeline where you need a proper time for this preparation, guys. Okay, uh, first one, they test your knowledge in installation and build deployment, and as well as they test your knowledge in the lifecycle manager module, governance module, like policies, roles, yeah, so risk scores, and also they try to give you a small piece of code and they try to know, test your what is the output of this particular rule, so those things they can test your knowledge on. Yeah, debugging, troubleshooting and all of that, guys. Okay, and here is the link. I have a valuable link, a proper study guide, you can get it here. So let me share you that link. So just try to prepare this link. Okay, it will take you to all the preparation guide for each and every module, for each and every topic I mentioned here among these 7 topics. So everything is there available in this link, in the SailPoint University link. Okay, so you can just go through it and prepare yourself, guys. Okay, let me open the new tab here. Okay, so let me click on this link. Okay, so I guess it requires the login for this. So however, if you are already part of the Compass, so just click on it and just access this file, guys. Very, very important file. It contains all the topic no documentation in it. Okay, so you can just go through it. Yeah, cool. Next we have, yes, the other preparation strategy I have prepared for you is yeah, some more useful links, like the product documentation, technical white papers, developers guide. Okay, so these also very, you can utilize these resources as well, guys. These are all the official documentations provided by SailPoint, so you can also go through them. And yeah, so hands-on experience. So yeah, you require a proper hands-on experience in order to crack this certification exam. So people who have a local lab, okay, a practical lab, and done all the exercises of SailPoint, then easily you can clear the certification exam, guys. Okay, and there is a self-assessment and a mock test examination link also I have. This is another valuable resource I'm sharing you. So I will share these three links plus this one more link. Okay, I feel people who have joined this session are very lucky, because I'm sharing lot of valuable links, guys. Okay, this will definitely help you in your preparations. Yeah, so cool. Let me share those links here. So there are three links: technical white papers. Cool. Yeah, so I just shared all three links, and well, so this is another free SailPoint Identity IQ examination link. Again, it's yeah, very, very useful link here, guys. Okay, so there is a website, okay, which is my valid examinations SailPoint certification examination things here. So you can just go through this, try to, once you prepare everything, so you can just answer these questions. Okay, and you can easily understand how the exam how the questions will be. Okay, so there's also another link. Let me paste it in the chat. Cool. Next, okay. Yes, so here comes my tips, guys, tips and resources. So I just shared you a lot of documentation, a lot of important links. I think those links will help you out. First of all, the next thing what I have here is the tips and tricks. Okay, so effective study strategies, guys. Okay, follow effective study strategies. Okay, don't sit hours and hours for the preparation, guys. Okay, just need the functional module. Like you take one module like certifications. Okay, in the certifications, okay, what are the different type of certifications that are all available? What is a certification? Okay, and what are different types we have, and what is the purpose of this certification, and how I can know uh, how the configurations will be done, what are the steps I need to take, what is a active phase, what is a no inactive phase, or what is a staging period, active period, or challenging period duration, or revocation period duration. No, have an understanding of those things, guys. Okay, and how the event based certification works in SailPoint. Okay, so that is how you need to prepare. Okay, also try to prepare your own notes. So try to put a realistic goals, guys. Okay, don't just imagine that, okay, uh, I have exam coming and I need to prepare with this documentation, something like that. So try to prepare, break your study plan into weekly milestones. Okay, so this week I'm going to prepare on the certification exam, certifications concept. Next week, I'm going to work completely on the app onboarding, application onboarding. The other week, rules and workflows, quick links, forms. Okay, that's how you need to split your plan, guys. Okay, understand the core concepts. Okay, the having a knowledge of core concepts is also very very important. Focus on the access certification, policy enforcement, and joiner lever mover, so those things will help. And as well as try to be more collaborative, guys. Try to make more collaborative learning, like join the study groups, online communities. Try to be part of the communities, guys. It gives you lot of information. So try to be part of SailPoint developer community, Compass community, and other Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups. Okay, so by doing that, you will tend to know how the things are going in SailPoint. Yeah, and the time management practice. So it makes you practice makes you perfect. So yeah, do a proper time management. I know you are all are working professionals, so just try to take out some time and prepare yourself. All right, so the other tips I have is practice, 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 guys. Okay, so you need to yeah, practice with mock exams, mock tests. So try to question yourself. Okay, if you are a certification administrator, or if you are the proctor, then how you're going to test the knowledge of somebody. Okay, so try to practice in that way with some lot of real time questions, and question yourself, start questioning yourself, so by that you can easily get a lot of answers. Okay, use real world scenarios and virtual labs. Okay, so try to do more practicals. Having more practical knowledge will allow you to solve more scenario based certification exam questions. Okay, more scenario based exams will become more easier for you, if you do more practicals. Okay, so avoid common mistakes, like skipping the hands-on experience, and that's what the hands-on practice is very very important. So or cramping at the last minute. Okay, oh, this question I need to prepare, or no, this study guide I need to study. Okay, no hurry buddy, guys. Okay, so just take out time, as I said, a monthly plan. So just try to list out your tasks, prioritize accordingly, and then prepare them well. Ignore the ignoring the fundamental foundational concepts will also trouble you here. Yeah, so cool. So here comes the interactive session. So any questions from you guys? I'm open for questions. Any question you feel you want me to no, you're feeling okay, you want to ask me about the certification exam, about the concept.
Hi, I'm Rajesh. Just started learning the SailPoint and couple of things. I have bit knowledge on identity management, so I'm trying to see what do you suggest for senior roles, like where we work in different senior level. So do you suggest to have a stepping stone of like to start with the SSX certificate and then directly go to the next level, go to IQ engineer, or is it like can we directly apply and then crack the final exam, or
Good,
is it basic?
very good question, Rajesh. I appreciate it. And I appreciate your interest as well in SailPoint. And yeah, so you can directly aim for the engineer exam. Okay, so there is no necessity of going associate and then engineer. So if you have a proper knowledge of the product, okay, if you have a proper practical experience, like setting up your own lab, okay, try to practice all the concepts. Okay, what's the policy, and what is a rule, what is a role. Okay, role is nothing but a bundle inside the sale point. Okay, it's a combination of entitlements is called as a role. So likewise, you need all the functional knowledge of the product. Okay, so it also involves some practical thing. So try to set up your own lab and practice it, and then this practice the study guide. I think that's more than enough, Rajesh.
So I think a study guide is actually is also provided by the SailPoint team. They have the other individual course also. One of them actually was telling that actually taking their study guide, exam preparation guide actually helps. the candidate to crack the exams. Is this true or like
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
You
you
mean to
don't do?
say the study guide will help to crack the examination? Is that you're saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Indeed.
they have
Yeah,
SailPoint. SailPoint has one study guide exam. I think if you the moment you click the link, right,
yeah, yeah,
it has
yeah.
shown a couple of exams which actually cost something. So they provide certain trainings also. But otherwise, like what is the chances like if people don't take it and they want to crack the exam?
Mm,
What are the right resources for that? See, the thing is like properly solving the problem in the real time is different thing. We can talk to community base, but when it comes to examination, they have set up courses, and we need to focus on specific areas
uh,
where they are coming from. So dumps may not be really helpful because they may change it every 6 months. So they're very smart, right? So that's also one thing we need to focus.
good question
So
again, Rajesh. Yes. Yes, so you don't need to follow the SailPoint's university training path. So that's what you're saying. It's not required actually, the training path of SailPoint. So without that, also you can directly attend the examination. Okay. So I think based on your what do I say? Like if you registered as a partnered mail ID with the partnered mail ID, then you will see that option here. Without the training path, you can directly attend. I think if you know registering with the email which is not already partnered or customered with SailPoint, so then it might show you the training path options. But I also see there is a checkbox, so where you can directly click, like skipping this training content. Okay, directly you can go to the examination. So you just need to uncheck the checkbox, the training path checkbox. So I've already taken the training, I'm experienced something, the checkbox would be there. So if you click there, and it will directly take you to the exam registration, Rajesh.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
And knowledge is very important. It's not that we need to follow the sale point training. So if you have a knowledge, I think you can easily crack the examination. So there's no need of going through their training paths. And one more thing additionally, I want to share here, Rajesh, related to your question. So if you register with your partner mail ID, right, even those trainings will show for free. Like you can directly just go and click on next, 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 and you can directly go to the exam step. So that's how they have made it. Yeah. So try to yeah, that should be okay. Any other questions, guys? Nice question, by the way. Thanks, Rajesh. Appreciate it. Any others? Any questions, guys? Yes, what is PAM used for? Okay, so PAM is privileged access management. So privileged access management is totally a different concept in cybersecurity. So we have something called as a service account. So that's a non-human identities, I would say. Like you can take administrator accounts, service accounts, where the application developer will use those accounts to host their services or host their applications, right? So those administrator accounts needs to be secured inside the organization. So those are all the privileged accounts inside the organization, right? If somebody is logging into a server and doing some malicious activity there, then it's difficult for us to identify, right? So who has logged in which server, the security breach has happened. Okay, so if you have this PAM tools such as CyberArk or Beyond Trust, or okay, so these privileged access management tools, then what it does, so whenever you log into the server as an administrator, it will start your session recording. Okay, so it will start recording your session. Okay, the moment you log in, so where you are navigating, which file you are looking for, no, so it evaluates, it verifies everything, guys. Okay, and it will get recorded, and audit can easily trace out if something goes wrong, so they can easily catch hold of you, like, okay, why are you accessing this server at this point of time? Okay, and what is the reason behind it? Okay, if you have a genuine reason, then it's fine. Okay, also the other point and the other advantage we have with the PAM is the password rotation. Okay, so nobody knows what is the password of that service account. Okay, why? Because say the CyberArk no, will rotate the password, no, every time you log in. Okay, so it will be an encrypted password. Only administrator who has an access to the safe or vault, so those people can, you know, see that encrypted password. So others cannot see those passwords, and it would be properly, encrypted. So if you want to access the password also, you need to give some incident, like, either a Jira or ServiceNow incident. If you have a genuine reason, then you can, it will also validates like whether you are providing a proper ticket or not, either this ticket is present in the ServiceNow or not. It evaluates it at that level, I would say. Yeah, so that is the need of PAM. Okay, so it's part of access management. Yes, it is part of access management, Miraj. Yeah, it's part of cybersecurity. So in cybersecurity, there are in identity and access management, there are three things. Like, no, one is the PAM, and that's a privileged access management. The other one is identity governance, and the other one is single sign-on. Okay, so which is a single sign-on product. Okay, that is SSO, like Okta or any other products you take over there. Yeah. So, anything else, guys? Any other questions I have? Well, all right, guys. Um, Thank you, Saho. Hope you have learned something new today, and thank you very much for your participation, guys. And hope these links will definitely help you in your preparations. Okay, and all the very best for your examinations and preparations, guys. Okay. Yes, Miraj. Yes, guys. Indeed, you get a CPA certificate. So to get the CPA certificate, just try to fill the survey and provide your valuable feedbacks. I think you're good to get the CPA certificate. It's really valuable, guys. Okay. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care, guys.